शक्ति भवानी मैया, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी मैया काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी। हरिद्वार हरि पर दर्शन करे, हरिद्वार हरि पर दर्शन करे, रक्षक करे पहचाने काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी, जय शक्ति भवानी मैया, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी। तीर्थराज प्रयाग जगत का, तीर्थराज प्रयाग जगत का, जय महाशक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी। तीर्थराज प्रयाग जगत का, तीर्थराज प्रयाग जगत का, जय महाशक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति महारानी। काली महारानी, काली महारानी, काली महारानी, काली महारानी, काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी, जय काली भवानी, जय शक्ति भवानी, जय शक्ति भवानी महारानी, महारानी काली महारानी, काली महारानी, महारानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी काली महारानी, जय शक्ति भवानी। दर्शन दो दर्शन को दुर्गा महारानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी, दर्शन को दुर्गा महारानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी, जय 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 दुर्गा महारानी, जय 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 दुर्गा महारानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी, जय 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 जगदम्बे भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। को मोहित करने वाले, विश्व को मोहित करने वाले, तीन लोक में रहने वाले, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बे भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। पाप नाश करे जीने वाली, पाप नाश करे दीने वाली, भाई सब दुख सब हरने वाली, भाई सब दुख सब हरने वाली, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बे भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। श्रद्धा करुणा शक्ति रूप तुम, श्रद्धा करुणा शक्ति रूप तुम, काया छाया भक्ति रूप तुम, काया छाया भक्ति रूप तुम, दर्शन को दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। श्रद्धा करुणा शक्ति रूप तुम, श्रद्धा करुणा शक्ति रूप तुम, काया छाया भक्ति रूप तुम, काया छाया भक्ति रूप तुम, काया छाया भक्ति रूप तुम, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। 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 जय 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 अम्बे भवानी, दर्शन दो दुर्गा महारानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जगदम्बा ओ जगदम्बा भवानी, जगदम्बा जगदम्बा भवानी, जगदम्बा। जय 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 भवानी, जगदम्बा भवानी मैया भवानी। जगदम्बा भवानी, जगदम्बा भवानी, जगदम्बा भवानी। प्रेम से बोलो जगदम्बी माता की।
पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया हे दुर्गा मैया जय देवी मैया हे दुर्गा मैया अम्मा जय देवी मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया हे दुर्गा मैया एक आसन बैठाओ हे दुर्गा मैया एक आसन बैठाओ और साड़ी पहनाओ आसन बैठाओ और साड़ी पहनाओ पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया हे दुर्गा मैया मैं तो पान फूल चढ़ाओ हे दुर्गा मैया मैं तो पान फूल चढ़ाओ सिंदूर हल्दी दिखाओ पान फूल चढ़ाओ सिंदूर हल्दी दिखाओ पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया हे दुर्गा मैया मैं नारियल चढ़ाओ हे दुर्गा मैया मैं बलिदान चढ़ाओ हे दुर्गा मैया मैं नारियल चढ़ाओ हे दुर्गा मैया मैं बलिदान चढ़ाओ और जल्दी उड़ाओ आरती उतारो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया हे दुर्गा मैया जय देवी मैया हे दुर्गा मैया अम्मा जय दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया पूजन हम आयो रे दुर्गा मैया
अरे कहो से आए भवानी कहाँ से काली मैया कहाँ से भैरो बाबा हो अरे कहो से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो अरे कहो से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो कहो से आए भवानी कहाँ से काली मैया कहाँ से भैरो बाबा हो अरे कहो से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो अरे कहो से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो पूरब से आए भवानी पूरब से काली मैया पूरब से भैरो बाबा हो पूरब से आए भवानी पूरब से काली मैया पूरब से भैरो बाबा हो अरे पश्चिम से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो अरे पश्चिम से आए हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो नारियल चढ़ावे भवानी निबुआ काली मैया निबिया भैरो बाबा हो नारियल चढ़ावे भवानी निबुआ काली मैया निबिया भैरो बाबा हो अरे रोटी चढ़ावे हनुमान महामुनि ज्ञानी हो अरे रोटी चढ़ावे
प्रेम से आज शक्ति नव दुर्गा महारानी की। पर्यावरण संजनों, आप लोग खड़ा हो जाइए देवी माता के आरती के लिए। लेट अस ऑल स्टैंड एज वी हैव देवी आरती। सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया। गाओ जय भगवती।
तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियर, पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियर,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियर।
अरे लई तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया, लई तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया। गाओ
देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा
पार न पाया।
चोली तेरे अंग बिराजे,
तेरे अंग बिराजे,
चोली तेरे अंग बिराजे,
तेरे अंग बिराजे।
अरे केसर तिलक लगाया, केसर तिलक लगाया रे मैया।
पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
नंगे पाँव तेरे अकबर आकर,
नंगे पाँव तेरे अकबर आकर,
नंगे पाँव तेरे अकबर आकर,
नंगे पाँव तेरे अकबर आकर।
अरे सोने का छत्र चढ़ाया, सोने का छत्र चढ़ाया। गाओ
देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
ऊंचे पर्वत बना दे वाले,
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनाने वाले,
हाँ ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बना दे वाले,
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनाने वाले।
अरे नीचे शहर बसाया, नीचे शहर बसाया।
सुनो मोरे
हाँ।
पर्वत
वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
युग त्रेता द्वापर मध्य,
युग त्रेता द्वापर मध्य,
मैया सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्य,
युग त्रेता द्वापर मध्य।
अरे कल युग राज सवाया, कलि युग राज सवाया।
मोरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
अरे मोहन भोग लगाया, मोहन भोग लगाया।
सुनो मोरे
देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
भगत मैया तेरी गुण गावे,
भानु भगत मैया तेरे गुण गावे,
भानु भगत मैया तेरी गुण गावे,
भानु भगत मैया तेरे गुण गावे।
अरे मन वांछित फल पाया, मन वांछित फल पाया। तो सुनो मोरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया, अरे तेरा पार न पाया, अरे तेरा पार न पाया, अरे तेरा पार न पाया। अरे सुनो भगवती दुर्गा मैया की
जय।
अपना आसन नीचे बैठ जाइए। कैन हैव अ सीट नाउ माय फ्रेंड्स। प्रेम सुर दुर्गा मैया की जय। भक्त जय में आप लोगन को स्वागत करता है। ये हमारा ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे चौथा रात की प्रवचन बानी। So my friends, welcome to Trimbakeshwar Mahadev Mandir, and this our fourth night of Katha. My wife told me, people saying yesterday when we put third night is 4 nights. Yes, this is fourth night of, this is the fifth night of Navratri, but it is fourth night of my Katha. Because Monday Navratri started, so Monday we did the Pran Pratishtha of Adshakti Mahesasur Mardini. And then because of all the preparations to perform all the ritual, you cannot do Parvachan. So we had some bhajans by the group, nah? And we had some people Charhawe, everyone did Arati, we had some of them had some dinner and they went home. And we began from Tuesday. This is our fourth night of Katha. Our tonight I'm going to do Katha from Trayodas Adhyay of Srimad Bhagavat Puran, Panchvas Khand, the fifth volume, the 13th chapter. But let us all clasp our hands and close our eyes as we meditate upon Ma Bhagavati, as we ask Bhagavati Mata to shower her blessings upon all of us, as we all worship together as a family. We are one set of children from one divine Ma. Let us pray together as one. Hari Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Sri Saraswatyai Namaha Sri Ramachandraya Namaha Om Namaha Shivaya Durga Devi Namostute, Lakshmi Maya Namostute, Kali Maya Namostute, Tulsi Mata Namostute. Om Yam Brahma Vedanta Vedo Vadanti, Param Pradhanam Purushanthathanye Veshvodgate Karanamishwaram Va Tasmai Namo Bighna Vinasanaya. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatre Swaha Svadha Namostute. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Shanti, 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 Hari Om. Praise Lord Devi Mata ki Jai. So my friends, before we enter into Katha, we will do bhajan to Devi Ma. This is Durga Puja. Today, Monday is the day of Durga Mata. Friday is the day of Mahalakshmi Mata. But we always do Friday and Monday all Devi Puja. So tonight I will do one Pachara from Banaras as we worship Durga Ma. नमो नमो बिंदेश्वरी आय नमो नमो जगदम्ब भक्त जनन के कारण करती का विलंब अरे की डीहे के मनावन अरे की माई के मनावन अरे की चली रे मलिनिया लइके अरे चली रे मलिनिया लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे माई के मनावन चरेले मलिनिया लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके काहे न की तोर डलई मौनिया काहे न के तोर डलई मौनिया अरे कौन बिरछवा के फुलवा लो राय हई महके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे माई के मनावन चरेले मलिनिया लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे आले आले बसवा की डलई मौनिया हाँ आले आले बसवा की डलई मौनिया अरे बेला चमेली के फुलवा लोराए हई महके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे पहिले चढ़ाई फूल माई के चरनिया अरे पहिले चढ़ाए फूल माई के शरनिया अरे दिया न जलाई हो माई के चरनिया घिउ के डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे माई के मनावन चरेर मलिनिया लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके अरे हथवा के लिए माले नरियर चुनरिया अरे हथवा के लिए माले नरियर चुनरिया अरे अचरा फसारे माई अरजी लगाए माई के चरनिया धई के डालैया फुलवा डालैया फुलवा लेके अरे माई के मनावन शरीर मलिनिया लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके डालैया फुलवा लइके So you're telling Dihe ke manawan, are Mai ke manawan. So you know, many people, when come from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and they came to Trinidad and they perform puja, and especially Devi puja, you must manawe Dihi Baba. Not D like in D-E-E, but D with tongue had to go into your roof of your mouth. So say Diha, Dihawar Baba. Dih ke manawan. So unless it is believed that unless you do not manawe Dihi Baba, no Devta cannot come there. That is the proof. It is actually in the 1800s when British were in India, one Britisher wrote a whole chapter on Dihi Baba in his book on the Indian customs and religion, and he explained that, you know, that the Dihi is so important that if he is not worshipped, then the Devta cannot enter the property. In the villages of Uttar Pradesh, there is one tree or some place, a sthan, where they will manawe Dihi Baba. In Trinidad, everybody do their own Dihi Puja, but in India, because it's a Hindu country, there is one place where Dihi Baba is established. And one pujari who is performing the worship, he will collect monies and whatever from everyone, and they will perform puja on behalf of the community. And Dihi Baba is so much honored and respected for his power that if a boy or a girl in the village cannot get married, they tell them, go by Dihi Baba and pray. The Dihi Baba will open whatever locks are there that are preventing you from marriage. And by worshipping Manawe Dihi Baba, all these things are happening. Sometimes when you perform puja, you know, we do puja, some people will offer one lapsi suhari puri, halwa puri to Bhairavnath. Because he is the dwarpal of the devatas. He is the kotwal. Just as when you enter in the Siwala, this is the home of Bhagwan Shiva, Shiv Mandir, at the doorway is Bhairav Baba sitting. Why? You have to go to him first to get his permission. You know, when you go to the government building and think, the security day, show your ID card, let me know who you is. Who you going by? You have appointment? So too you have to go to the Lord. Even in the Brahmins, when you go puja in India, in the Devi Mandir and in the Siwala, when they lock the temple, they take the key and they pass it to Bhairav Baba. You now protect. But they don't leave the key, you know, because somebody will open the temple. So they take the key, put it in pocket and go home. But in symbol, they say, you now, you take care of Bhagwan. So he's worshipped in every puja. So the girl goes to offer prayer to the Devi Mata, Malinia, the flower girl, and she's taking a very soft, beautiful basket made out of bamboo with beautiful flowers. What kind of bamboo? Ale Basav, a very young, soft bamboo, making a beautiful basket with bael and chameli and all different flowers to offer to Devi Mata. First she goes to Mother and offers flowers at the feet of the Mother. Then she lights a diya with ghee. You know, you're not supposed to use oil in puja, you know. But you know, ghee is expensive. You're not supposed to use oil in puja, especially on a Saturday, because you know why? Shani brings a bad influence. So when you do puja to the Deva, you offer ghee ke diya. If we can't afford to use ghee now, what you going to do? The Pandit making me do wrong thing now? Get plenty money, where you get money? No, mix the ghee with the oil. Because I cannot afford to light the diya every day with ghee, so I mix it with oil. But you must have ghee to cut that influence, especially on Saturdays. Oil brings the influence of Shani and it could be malefic into your astrology and cause trouble to you. So best fuel when you do puja and vrat, and when you do Navratri puja, you know, you do puja once a year, do the best. So don't buy a bottle of coconut oil, buy an extra tin of ghee, and light the 9 diyas for Ma. The highest offering you can make in doing aartis with oil, with diya of ghee. Then he says she goes there offering nariyar chunariya, coconut and you know, nice orni for Durga Ma. Then she opens her achara like this, end of her sari or orni, and she spread it before the Divine Mother and she bows like this, just like long ago when our Aji and Nani used to pray. They take the orni and they open it out by the jhandi and they pray like this. It means you're begging to the God. So she spreads her achara, means the end of her shawl, and she puts it at the feet of the Mother and bows her head, begging her to bring happiness. So tonight, joining with us is Bhai Kiran Ramsaran, and I didn't get it Dholakya name. Harry, coming to join with us, and we are happy to have you all. He only gave me one name, you know, so blame he, don't blame me, right? In our audience, you know, tonight, my friends, we have many devotees from all over. We have our sponsors sitting here, bringing the puja on television, on IETV, and we are grateful for all the assistance of Pandit Manidev and all the members of IETV. May Bhagwan bless them all. May Ma bless them all. My good friend Neil Bishram, Neil Cool in Bamboo. He's here with his family, Pearl and all the children. Sitting tonight, the Basant family, Sunita Basant, her mom, her husband, her children, performing puja, their business, Nari Tire Shop, sponsored us, and they came to sit tonight with us and sponsor the night. My glasses could only see so much. But to all the sponsors, thank you for making this program successful. Tonight, we had Chadhawe to Devi Ma with Orni and whatever offerings that you would have wanted to make. Sunday morning, what time you say, Pandit? 9? From Sunday morning, 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Right, good time? 9 to 2 in the morning, 9, not 2 in the morning, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. we have Chadhawe for those of you who couldn't come in the weekday to Chadhawe. When you come, you will do your offering, Suma, you could bring a coconut to crack and offer, and ghee will be provided for you to offer 9 ahuti of mantra, Om Hrim Dum Durgaya Namah Swaha. So you come and for that period and do puja, because why? If you come and stay later, it's not an issue, but because 5 o'clock on Sunday evening is Kanya Puja. And we will have worshipping the Kanya. So you will come and join with us in Kanya Puja on Sunday. Then Thursday the 2nd of October is Bijay Dasami, where we will be taking the Mitti Murti of Durga Ma to Ganga Sagar, Tariko Bay. 24 years ago, we established, it was 24 years ago, it was, no, 24 years ago, it was Kumbh, was what we call, you know, the great Kumbh Mela in India. And so in the great time of Mahakumbh, I was in India, and I brought waters from India, from the Holy Ganga, and we went in the Kartik of that year in 2001. We went into the, where I do puja in Tariko Bay, and we installed Tariko Bay as Ganga Sagar, holding Ganga Ajal. And then from the next year, we started Devi Puja. So that is our place that we go to perform Visarjan for Ganeshji to Durga Ma, and we go there for Kartik. So you join with us. Tonight Katha, my friends, Bashkal और दुर्मुख का रण भूमि में आना, देवी जी से उनका वार्तालाप और युद्ध तथा देवी द्वारा उनका वध. Tonight Katha is taken from the holy pages of Srimad Devi Bhagavatam, the 13th chapter of the 5th volume. The two demons, Bhaskal and Durmukh, enter into the battlefield. Ranbhumi means battlefield, to fight with the Divine Mother. We listen to her discussions, her dialogue with them, and we listen about their demise. Tonight, we have members of Suchitra's Ganesh Mandir here tonight with us. And we have an excellent drummer in Trinidad, Mr. Gomes, not Larry Gomes, he dead. Naren Bhagauti. See, you have Devi name Bhagauti, like Bhojpuri for Devi. Mai Bhagauti Binda Bhasni, you know, Bhagavati. So we're calling upon him to do a little, some music for me as well. I'll give him the sign. So my friends, two demons are fighting the Devi. Why is it that these demons, who are these demons? Are they some physical being? Historically, yes. But there's a meaning. Every Rakshas has a meaning name. Because we remember I talk about the emotions of Animaya and the illusions of this world. That is what keeping us away from God. It's the emotions, the hate, the lust, the greed, the anger, the depression, whatever, X, Y, you name it. Every day it seems a new emotion coming about. And the worst one of it all right now, hate. Hate. We see people fueling hate for communities and religions and countries today. Hate is a demon. Tonight we listen about two demons. Bashkal, translating to mean arrogance, and Durmukh, translating to mean, Durmukh meaning, like Dogala. You know Dogala meaning? Durmukh means hypocrisy. You're not true. These are the things that fight divinity. These are the attitude and mind that destroys our spirituality. Arrogance. Hypocrisy. You cannot be praying to Bhagwan and then hurting people. No. You cannot be worshipping to Bhagwan and always thinking, I am better than everybody. Who better than who, bhai? I sitting on a high seat, you know why? So everybody will see me, but me a high. In the eyes of Bhagwan, we are all equal. There is no high, no low, no color, no differentiation. But because we are colored by illusions, we have on our glasses of delusion, so we don't see the true reality. We don't see reality. Look, I get a round of applause here. So my friends, these demons fighting the God is representing our own minds, that which is fighting us, that which is dragging us away. When you want to pray, me going in that mandir, you know. What kind of people has go there? Arrogance. He that go there, so me not going there. You know? It is what the demon is fighting the Lord. That is a demon that is destroying you and pulling you down. Katha finished, we go home now. As we chant Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, let us hear as Vyas Muni is giving Parvachan, is giving a lecture, giving a teaching to Raja Janmejay. Let us hear what happens. Praise O Devi Maiya ki Jai!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Ityuktva tau Mahabaho Daityo Bashkala Durmukho Jagamartha Dadhirangho Sarva Sastra Toko Ved Bolo
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Taugatva Samare Devi Mucha Sarvachanam Tada Danavo Madon Mato Megham Gira
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Om Namo Narayanaय Krishna Govindaय Namo Namah. हे राजन ऐसा कहकर अभिमान से चूर अंगलों वाले तथा सभी शास्त्रों के विशारद वे दोनों महाबाहु दैत्य बाष्कल तथा दुर्मुख समारंग गण की ओर चल पड़े. And so he's telling that these two demons, Durmukh and Bhaskar, very much proficient in fighting wars. Great warriors were they, but they were maddened by their own power. They entered into the Ranbhumi to fight Devi Ma. इसके बाद वे दोनों मदोन्मत्त दानव समर भूमि में पहुंचकर मेघ गर्जन के समान गंभीर वाणी में देवी से कहने लगे. And as they stood before a Devi, they start speaking to her. He says here, Megh Garjan ke saman, like thunder, very heavy voices. They began to speak to the Devi. You just go to the God and bawl upon the Lord. Ghamandi. How many of us blame the Lord? How many of us quarrel with the Lord? How many of us vex with the Lord? But the mother said last night, you see the kathas are flowing. She said to Bhagwan Krishna, you will get everything, but at the end of it all, you will lose everything. But don't worry, this is my working. So what has to happen in this world, Bhaiya? Sometimes, as we always say, man proposes, but God what? Disposes. You could say what you want, but if it's not for you, you will never have it. So just live a life in this earth to fuel your spirituality, not your ego, not your bank account, not your material education. It can't help you. And so they began with disrespect to speak to Devi Mata. So you see, I'm reading with a laptop. I'm not a laptop Baba. The Sanskrit and Hindi very small in the Bhagavatam, and my eyes getting bad now. So I get it download on the same Sanskrit and Hindi in the laptop, so I could see better. So, but you know, in India, when you give pravachan, you cannot read from a book. You have to read from your head. You have to master the book. So when we read here, we are no master of anything. We still like students reading and telling. But in India, when you sit to do pravachan, you cannot open a book. You have to know the book. Then you become a Vyas. Then you will give the explanation. I was blessed one year. I was doing Devi Bhagwat in Guyana, and the Dharmachar, late Dharmachar, Pandit Udit Narayan Sharma, he was a guru of the Pandit I went to perform puja for. And I went to his home and I asked, I said, Baba, you will come and read one night in me. I want you to hear me read, and I want to hear you read. And that old man was about 90 something years at that time. And he came, no book. And he read Devi Bhagwat, he recited Devi Bhagwatam from his head. And I remember a few verses from what he's saying. And when I went home in the night to the bedroom, I opened the book, and word for word he was saying. He had mastered Srimad Bhagwat Mahapuran from cover to cover. He never read, just like Basdev Misri, the first Dharmachar of Trinidad and Tobago. He had mastered Devi Bhagwatam. He had mastered Shiv Puran. He had mastered the Ramcharitramanas, that when he went anywhere, he could just talk from his head and give chaupai after chaupai or shlok after shlok without a mistake. That is what we call a Pandit. Great man. And so what happened? And he began to speak with the Devi without respect. कि हे देवी, हे सुंदरी, जिन महान महिषासुर सभी देवतन पर विजय प्राप्त कर ली है, सभी दैत्यों अधिष्ठता उन नरेश महिषासुर का आप वरण कर ले. And they start telling her, oh Devi, they start telling to her, oh Devi, oh beautiful one. You see how disrespectful they are. Oh beautiful one, you better choose to worship Mahishasur, our Lord. Mahishasur, who is so powerful, he has conquered the devatas. Now you should worship him. वे सभी लक्षणों से संपन्न मनुष्य रूप धारण करके तथा दिव्य आभूषणों से अलंकृत होकर एकांत में आपसे मिलने के लिए आएंगे. And so he's telling, he will come before you like a human, looking like a human, with all auspicious signs, and very handsome, adorned with beautiful ornaments. You see what they say? All that glitters is not gold. That which will take you away from your pathway will look beautiful, will look attractive, and will destroy you. Because Mahishasur is not a human. He is not a human. Mahish means bull. He was a demonic force. He will take a handsome form for you. So you go by him. Hey Sundar Muskan Wale Devi, oh beautiful smiling face Devi, आपको तीनों लोकों का वैभव निश्चय ही प्राप्त हो जाएगा। अत हे कांते, उन महिषासुर के प्राप्त आप अपने मन में परंपर भाव, प्रेम भाव रखिए। Oh beautiful smiling Devi, better place your highest feeling as love for him. Mahishasur, make him your husband, and he will give you all the pleasures of this three worlds. He will give you everything. And this is how people are today in society. A lot of Mahishasur outside there, waiting to pawn some of your daughters, This is why we have to protect our children. You have to have a relationship with your children. Because they have Mahishasura outside, they want to have a relation with your children. They want to mislead them. They want to destroy them. They want to corrupt them. Look at what he is telling. And this is what is happening. And let me tell you, fathers today, Hindu fathers, I cannot speak for no other religion and no other people, only my people, Hindu people. Hindu have many races of Hindus, but Hindu people. How many Hindu fathers have a good relationship with their daughter? How many Hindu fathers have good, conversations with your daughter? How many Hindu fathers tell your daughter, I love you? Your next man to tell them. It sounds funny, but it's truth. When they don't get the love, I taught high school only for 8 years. Then I said, you know what, I'm a Pandit and a Brahman. Work is to only do puja. So I have education. I'm not telling you, I'm not a stupid man. When I used to teach, I taught a Form 4 class one day. And plenty of girls in the class. I was a young boy, those days, now come out of university. And I used to go gym and thing. I said, look goodness, everybody want to talk to me, né? And still coming to teach and still making joke on it. So I became very friendly with the children because I believe you have to be friend children. You cannot scare them or you must be nice with children. So one day one child not coming to school. So them girl come in the morning, so how you going and thing. I said, hey, I'm calling roll and thing. So this girl stayed home for 2-3 weeks. I said, what happened to this girl? I make a joke with them girl and them. I was 25 years. I say, I'm here now. Why she staying home? Like he pregnant or what? Oh God, sir, how you know that? I say, I'm making a joke. Don't tell nobody I say anything. He say, yes, sir. I say, so she don't have any parents to guide her? So she don't have a father. And some taxi man fool she. Form 4 child. This is why you have to have a relationship with your daughters. People outside of the Mahishasur will corrupt your children and destroy your culture. They're just waiting to destroy your fame, your face in society. But if you speak with your children and your children have a good repertoire with you, then they can tell you anything and you could tell them anything. Ask my daughter how much time I tell she, I love you. She feel shame. And I tell my son, every day, ask my daughter. I tell them, you know why? I don't want no next man tell my daughter he loves she. I don't want nobody to take my children away and corrupt them. She must know her father loves her. When many children don't have parental love, they get it outside. And then you blame them and you blame the people outside without blaming your own self. I have seen it. I have seen it. So I'm telling you, my friends, if you are a good Hindu, read the scriptures and see the relationship Raja Dashrath had with his children. Read the scripture and see how Lord Krishna had a relationship with his parents. It is to teach you to be in a loving relationship with your children. Yes, who wouldn't beat their children? Who wouldn't scold your children? Who wouldn't punish your children? But you would not do it out of haste, but out of love. So I want you to do one thing. To your sons and daughters in your house, have a good relationship with them. It's never too late. Hug up your children. Tell them you love them. And you will be, you know, when you do these things to your children, have a good relationship like this, your children could go any part of the world and any building and any place, and they will never be victim to the illusions out there. Because they already have love. They already have friendship. They have everything with them. So if you didn't do it before, it's never too late, bhaiya. Look at how they are speaking to Devi Mata. But this is how arrogance is. They don't care. Arrogant people are like that. You know what is arrogance? I take a little note today. To be arrogant is to have an inflated sense of your own importance, your own ability, leading to a belief that you are better than others, and an overbearing, offensive attitude. Arrogant people often act superior, dismiss others' opinion, seek the spotlight, and may brag or speak to people in a condescending, looking down at them, making them feel inferior. That is a demon, Bhaskal. That is the attitude that fights your spirituality and causes you to be destroyed. And what is the other fella name? Durmukh. What is his name? Say loud na bhai. Durmukh. Meaning hypocrisy, when translated from Katha in meaning, the practice of claiming to have moral standards, but you don't have any standards. You play that you're good, but you know, you're not good. As you know, we had a song of a lady singing, you know, Ek suwar aayi, Manusya roop le gayi, ek suwar aayi. You come in like a human, but you're a hog inside. That is a hypocrite. You know that song? Just sing that in Jag. But this is what it is. You are fiends in the form of human. You only seek to project something good to destroy everything that is good. And so what happened? So speaking, make him your husband. Devi Mata looks at them smilingly, sitting on the Ashtabhuji Maya with 8 hands and all weapons, sitting on the lion. Ma Durga starts to smile and speak to them. What is she telling us? We chant Sri Durga Sharanam. Praise the Durga Maya ki Jai!
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
जन्म त्वं के बेजाना से नारेयम का मोहिता मंदबुद्धि बलाद्यठम भजेयम महिषम शठम.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
कशील गुणै सुलम तम भजन्ति कलस्त्रिय अधिकम रूप चातुर बुद्धिशील लक्ष्मणिधि.
Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama, Sri Durga Sharanam Mama.
ओम देवी बोले, अरे दुष्ट, क्या तुम यह समझ रहे हो कि यह कोई काम मोहित बुद्धिहीन तथा बल रहित नारी है? She said, a dusht, oh evil one, who you think I am? You think that I am a slave to the senses? You think I am dull-witted? You think I am a weak woman? मैं उस मूर्ख महिषासुर सेवा कैसे कर सकती हूँ? You expect me? You think I will serve a demon? A hypocrite like Mahishasur? The beauty in Sanatana Dharma is a woman The biggest festival is to the feminine aspect of the God. We celebrate womanhood because a woman is a manifestation of Shakti and Srishti. We are not born from a man. We are born from a woman. The scripture says, from the golden womb creation has come. So who has a womb? Ma. We are all created from Ma, your mother and the Supreme Mother. In Sanatan Dharma, women are held in the highest esteem. But I will not tell you more than that, because you know why? Sunday night I will tell you why. Sunday I will tell you why. This is why, my friends, we have to begin to respect our people, our women in Sanatana Dharma. You know, many people say women can't do this and women can't do that. Mother says you feel I stupid, I uneducated, you feel I weak. It's an answer to men who feel that women are to be subservient. India was ruled by the children of Abraham for nearly 1,000 years. Both Arabian and European combined, nearly 1,000 years. And their belief is women must stay quiet. Their belief is women must not read. Their belief women must not read scripture. Their belief women must sit down in the religious building and shut them out. This book says so. But in my scripture, in my parampara, women are held in highest esteem. Women were made to become teachers, practitioners of yajna, to give lectures. Do you not watch TV sometime when you see in ZTV ladies sitting on Vyas Gaddi and giving pravachan? What is the difference in a man and a woman? Just we can make no children. That is the only difference. The women have the highest blessing that they will bring life. They will continue society. Women are not lower than men. Women are higher than men. Man and man can make children. Society cannot progress without a woman. Understand this well. Hence the reason women are, you are the highest, and behave like that. Don't get caught up in the lifestyle of the Western people, Hindu women, and dress in a very degrading way. Sometimes I'm just glad I just need glasses to see, because when I see some of them lady dress, I take out my glass. And you are adopting lifestyle, and that is not in, you know, conformity with your dharma. You are the exemplars. You are the greatest woman, the greatest being, womankind. Women from time immemorial in our dharma has stood up and fought against oppressors. In our dharma, women were queens, and not only queens, they were the rulers. They were the protectors. In my lineage, in Guru Ramanand Swami, he had 12 major chela, but he had one woman, Ganga Devi, that he made a guru. And who was Ganga Devi? She was once a prostitute. Teaching us that we do not classify, or we do not ridicule, or we do not ostracize anyone. Everyone has a past, and everyone has a future. Which one of us sitting here, including myself, didn't do wrong thing? And which one of us sitting here, including myself, do not wish to do good things? But if we continuously condemn and ostracize people who have fallen sometime in life, then we are the cause for them to be sinners. We are the cause. Our duty is to encourage the goodness in everyone's heart and help them to evolve. And women, we come back, are the greatest. And hence the reason we must respect our women folk. That is why I want to tell you, young ladies, some of them are not here, but you're watching on the thing day, so you could tell some of them too. You know, many times Indian men, Hindu men, do not go on, hey, watch me here. We don't do that. You know why? Because we respect women, because we come from a home where we have a mother who work hard, mind we, so we would not any woman. You must have some fellas go do it. Or disrespect any woman. So don't feel and don't go with the conclusion of other people in this country that Indian men are effeminate or Indian men are weak. We have respect. Because we have a sister, because we have a mother, because we have an aunt, because we have a friend who is a woman, and we would not like to see anyone disrespect them. So put that, all your young girls, when we don't tell you something openly, it is because we respect you as a goddess, because that is our tradition, that is our parampara. And so we come back to Katha. They are telling the ladies, and Ma says, I am able to do what I want to do, and I am not going. What is she telling him? Namo Narayana, Namo Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. ऐसे कौन देव रूपिणी नारी होगी जो कामातुर होकर पशु रूप धारे तथा पशुओं में भी अधम महेश को अपनी पति बनाना चाहेगे. She telling, you want me to marry Mahishasur? Mahishasur, who has no good qualities. No good quality at all. I will marry with him. She's telling, हे बिश्कल और दुर्मुख, तुम लोग तत्काल अपने राजा महिषासुर के पास जाओ और हाथी के समान विशाल शरीर वाले तथा श्रृंगधारी उस दानव से मेरा संदेह कह दो. I want you to go back and tell him something. I want you to tell him something. Tell him that when a person of good family want to get married, they look for somebody just like them, that level, so they live good. But if a girl also wants to get married with a fella, or vice versa, they may, especially a girl, she will look for a husband at her level, so she'll be comfortable, or better than she, so she'll be better off. But I will not marry a bhaisa, an ugly person like your king, who is evil-minded, who is a beast. So go back and tell him that he resembles an elephant. Devi Mata said that. He has 2 horns on his head. Go and tell him, what does it mean? Why does she call him an elephant? There's a meaning. It's not an insult like you tell somebody, you're a donkey or something. An elephant have a thick skin. They get a special gun to shoot an elephant. Long ago, they had an elephant gun to shoot elephant. Because they get a special bullet to penetrate the skin. It represents ignorance. No matter what you tell that person, it cannot penetrate in their mind. That's why I say he like an elephant. He had 2 horns on his head. What it meant, why the head means your intellect. He don't think anything. He looking at life with 2 points, either material or spiritual, and going nowhere. He just living for himself. He has no purpose. 1 pointedness, 1 horn mean you have 1 purpose. That's why Ganesh ji break out 1. 2 horn meaning you watching spiritual, you watching material, and you're going nowhere. You're confused and corrupted. So tell that corrupted ignoramus, tell him this. Tell him either he go to Patal, go to hell, or come and fight me. Tell him that the Lord of the Devatas will no doubt be happy if wars ensues. Who is the Lord of the Devatas? Who? She is speaking about herself, my friends. Ma Durga is God. God in the form of mother. She says, I will be very happy to fight him. For this is the beauty of Sanatan Dharma, Bhagwan is our friend. Bhagwan is our benefactor. That when we are in problem, he does send people. He does come himself. You go by somebody other belief where they're looking for a messenger and they're looking for a child. When the father himself come in, when you want to go somewhere, you send your wife. You go there, you tell them, "Me had time." You want to go somewhere, you tell your son, "Go now." You look bad if nobody go. Eh? But if you're interested, you go. That is why every time the Lord has come on earth, he has come for us. This is the beauty of Sanatana Dharma, because it is very easy to transcend into spiritual Sachidananda, the divine ecstasy. It is very easy. All you need to do is surrender your mind. Man mana bhav mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaisham se sat pratijanu prayose me. Bhagavad Gita chapter 18 verse 64. Surrender your mind to me. Bow down to me. I will set you free. All you have to do is give the ego up. All you have to do is give the arrogance up. All you have to do is give the identity of yourself and give it up and only accept the identity of the superior existence. I am nothing. But you see, when you are filled with ego, when you are filled with hatred, when you are filled with arrogance, when you are filled with hypocrisy, you cannot find yourself peacefully sitting in the house of the Lord. Because your mind is always fighting. Your mind is always uneasy. And hence the reason we cannot destroy the demons in the mind, these emotions. Hence the reason we go to the Devi, we go to the Bhagwan. Ganesh has an axe. Durga Mata have an axe too. The axe represents the knowledge that will behead the ignorance. The knowledge that will behead the ignorance. We always saying it, Asatoma Asatgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. This is why, my friends, you have to get satsang. You have to be with your guru. You have to learn. We don't have a guru because, you know, you want somebody to do your puja. The guru's duty is to teach you, to inspire you, to liberate you, to keep you on the pathway. Otherwise, you will become victim to the demons of the mind. Your mind is your greatest friend, and your mind is your greatest enemy, you know. This is why we must always be at the feet of the Guru. Guru paya lago na lakha dije ho. 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 Guru paya lago. जन्म जन्म का सोया मनवा हो, हाय जन्म जन्म का सोया मनवा हो, सब डन मार गया दीजे हो। गुरु पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे, भाई पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे हो। गुरु पैया लागो नाम लखा दीजे हो। Oh Guru, I bow to the feet of the Guru. I must sleep for many birds, but please awaken me with the mantra that will guide me, with your words that will guide me, that I will become liberated. घट अंधियार नैन नहीं सूझे हो, घट घट अंधियार नैन नहीं सूझे हो, ज्ञान का दीप जगा दीजे हो, गुरु पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे, गुरु पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे हो, गुरु पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे। The darkness of the clouds, which is ignorancy, is clouding my mind that I cannot see reality. Please awaken this knowledge in me of Guruji, that I will be able to destroy the darkness of ignorancy in my mind. गहिरे नदी अगम बहे धरवा हो, गहरे नदी अगम बहे धरवा हो, खोए के पार लगा दीजे रे, गुरु पैया लाखो ना लखा दीजे हो, गुरु पैया लागो नाम लखा दीजे हो, गुरु पैया लागो ना। धर्मदास की अरज गोसाई हो, आय धर्मदास की अरज गोसाई हो, जब के खेप निभा दीजे रे, गुरु पैया लागो ना लखा दीजे रे, गुरु पैया लागो नाम लखा दीजे रे, गुरु पैया लागो नाम लखा दीजे हो, गुरु पैया लागो नाम। So the waves of poison are flowing. Please help me cross this ocean, this river of mundane addiction. So Dharam Das is asking Guru, please fulfill this obligation and save me. This is why to escape you have to come to Mandir. I'm always beating this in people's head, but sometime, you know, I'm telling people, but then I start thinking, Bair ke aage ben bajai, bair baith pagurai. You know that saying? What it means? That the bhaisa come. All you know is a bhaisa? Buffalo. And he comes there and the boy see the bhaisa and he blowing flute. The bail baith pagurai. And the bhaisa sit down. You know the bull have the cud. And he chewing the cud. And when you ever see a bull sit down and he doing the head so and he chewing the cud. The fella said, this man, this bhaisa like how I sing, playing this flute boy. He blow in more. What the bhaisa know about flute? And he more the bhaisa chewing and shaking his head, so more this fella blowing basuria. So this is what it means, that sometimes we throw, you know, pearls at unworthy people. What is to say is that you must find yourself in Mandir. This is the way we will build a Hindu society. This is the way we will have Hindu communalism, where we can work together and advance together. And I always preaching the same thing over and over and over, till maybe one day, maybe I go dead and then they go do it, but somebody will take up this baton and run with it. Let us come together. Let us work together. Let us forget everything, who you believe in and how you believe to pray, but we belong to the umbrella, under the umbrella of Sanatan Dharma. Let us become together. Let us evolve together. But you have to come to Mandir. You have to go to Mandir and start listening to Katha, practicing. Many people, when they go to do puja, they don't know how to chadhave jal. We're going to throw down water. I say, well, throw down water? What does that mean? And I think when they say throw down, they put a bucket and they go throw. You don't throw away, you offer your chadhave. You know? They don't know. Sometimes you go by somebody's house and last year when they put the lota by the jhandi, you meet it back right there. You know? Bamboo grass, there's only cut when they have puja. The jhandi covered. Some people say one day for the week is good enough to pray. That is when you live a life without divinity. Every moment in your life you should remember Bhagwan. And so these demons are telling the mother this. And so Ma is telling, I am waiting to fight them. And she is telling them Hatvaham tvam gamishyami nananyaagamanam mama ityagyatva so durbuddhe yathechmi tatha kuru mamanir jitya bho bhagena sthane te kadachana bhavishyanti chatushpade diviva girikandare. Oh stupid one, she's telling, listen, my manifestation here is not women fancy. I didn't come here in vain, you know. I will easily kill you. I will easily kill you. So you better run away from here. What I'm telling you is that you fight me or you surrender to me. Do as you like. I want to tell your master something. Either he come and fight me, because that is his intention, because I will not spare him. He could hide in a cave. He could hide under the earth. He could hide in the heaven. I will come after him. No matter what you do, there will be a repercussion. The Ramayana, the wife of Jayant, the daughter-in-law of Raja Indra, she went to see Sri Ram. Her husband Jayant thinking, why my wife gone to see he for? He said, I God. He take the form of a kawa and he peck at the foot of Sita Mata and the blood started to leak. When Sri Ram saw this, he all-knowing Lord Marjana Purushottam, he takes a headless arrow, Mina par ke baan, a headless arrow, just a rod alone, and he shot it. And this bird started to fly, this kawa, taking his form of giant, running, go by father. I say, I can help you, you make enemy with God. He go by Brahma, Brahma said, but you move from here. He go by Vishnu Bhagwan, Vishnu said, no. He go by Lord Shiva said, you make enemy with Sri Ram, I cannot help you. He go and he fall by Narad's foot. Narad said, well, go back by the man you make enemy with. So he fell at the feet of Sri Ram and begged forgiveness. But he had performed an action, a karma. The arrow of karma is following you no matter if you fall at the feet of the Lord. But the Lord will forgive you, but you cannot escape karma. And so the Lord forgave him for his ill doing, but the arrow took out one of his eye. When you have two eyes, you see too much. When you have one eye, you have single-pointed devotion at the feet of the Lord. In a symbol, do not be materialistically motivated. Keep your mind on Bhagwan. Whatever I want in this life, let it be a fuel for my spirituality, my knowledge, my wealth, my everything. If it is not going to help me to be a spiritual person, one with Bhagwan and to do good for society, then I don't want that. Ask yourselves, are your desires going to liberate you or condemn you back into the cycle of birth and death? And so Divine Mother speaking like this, Bhaskal and Durmukh became very angry and they charged at Durga Mata. Bhaskal meaning arrogance. When you're arrogant, you're ready to fight, you know. And when you're hypocrite, you stand up to fight, but you send people to fight for you. Bhaskal attacks Divine Durga Mata. As she attacks Durga Mata, he attacks Durga Mata starts fighting with him. He issues forth different type of weaponries, missiles. Ma Durga take 5 arrows and shot it at him and disabled all his missiles. 5 arrows. What will destroy the onslaught of the mind that is evil? A controlled senses. If your senses are controlled, you have 5 senses, no? If your senses are controlled, you can conquer the mind and all the diseases of the mind. She destroys his weapons. She kills him. Killing him. Durmukh sees this. He sends his soldiers to fight with Durga Mata. He isn't coming yet, you know, he's scared. He's playing brave, he's a hypocrite. As he sends his soldiers to fight Durga Mata sitting on the lion. Let us hear as we chant. Sri Durga Sharanam Mama. Praise the Durga Maiya ki Jai.
Sri Durga दुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा 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 शरणं मम
तिष्ठ तिष्ठान् बले सोपे भाषमाणः पुनः पुनः धनुर्बाण धरे श्रीमन् रथारथ कौशामृत
श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम
समागचान्मलेयकाय देवी सङ्घजायत कोपयन्ति दानवन्तं जघोषन् आरभो गौ
श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम श्रीदुर्गा शरणं मम
ओम नमो नारायणाय कृष्ण गोविंदाय नमो नमः। उस समय वह वैभवशाली दैत्य अरे अबेली ठहरे ठहरे ऐसे बार बार कहते हुए धनुक बाण धारण करके कवच पहने हुए रथ पर सवार था। हिपोक्रिट दुर्मुख mountain his chariot, he is going to fight the Devi with bow and arrow and putting on shields on his body to protect himself. He started telling her, Tahare, Tahare, wait, wait, you weak woman. Wait, wait, you weak woman. Just see that, but he wants to fight. This is the way of the people in this world. This is the way of the people in the world who are colored by illusion, who are filled with arrogance, who feel they can do what they want to do, who feel they are greater than everyone. This hypocrite man, Durmukh, calling Divine Mother, he knows she is divinity, yet he is calling her a weak woman, insulting her. What happens? Namo Narayanaय नमो नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। दुर्मुख भी बड़े तेज से सर्प के समान विषैले तीक्ष्ण बाण छोड़ने लगा. He set off arrows like poisonous snakes. Now they have a weapon like that, you know. They have a missile. When they shoot it, it hit a target. No matter where you are, they put it in this drone and they could send a drone right here and kill one man in the midst of everybody. But you see, in the ancient days, they didn't have the names like we know now to call these weapons. So they gave an analogy that it was like a snake weapon, but seeking out its target and by destroying. So this target-seeking missile was sent off by and what happened? The Devi Mata, she blew her shank, the divine sound, to purify the universe. Taking her bow, taking up her arrow, the arrow of intelligence, she dispatched away with the weapon, with the missiles that were coming. Intelligence is your sword, not weapons. The greatest weapon is your intelligence. Do not fight people with weapons. Fight them with intelligence. Intelligence can teach you to make peace. Like my Ajay used to tell me, a piece of bamboo paper have no value. He told me it a long time when I was small. I didn't understand much in Bhojpuri. He said a piece of bamboo paper has no value, but when you put sugar on top of it, it has value. Long time is away sugar, na? So when you put sugar on the bamboo paper, then the bamboo paper has value because it has use. But if you don't have nothing on it, it have no use. So too knowledge will teach you how to deal with your opposition in a peaceful way, in an amicable way. Desperate, greedy, ignorant, evil, hateful people always want to use violence first. Always want to project hate first. Always want to put people against people first. And so, in this way, Devi Mata started cutting down his arrows. No matter what he threw at her, she was dispatching, and blood began to flow, and all his soldiers were dropping dead, and wild animals were coming to eat the dead bodies on the battlefield. A very putrid smell was coming, yet he was attacking. And what happened? The wicked Durmukh, you know, when death comes to an evil man, he will speak evil things. He begins to insult Devi Ma, that your intelligence is perverted. You don't know the truth. I will kill you. You have to make yourself the wife of Mahishasur. Devi Mata tells to him, Namo Narayana Namo Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Ab to hari mrityu sameep hai. Your death has come. मृत्यु समीप है, तभी तुम मोहित होकर ऐसा प्रलाप कर रहे हो. अभी मैं तो तुम्हें भी उसी प्रकार मार डालूंगा जैसे मैंने उस बिश्कल को मारा. And she tells to him, death is near. Therefore you are confused. You are raving like a madman, and I'm going to kill you like just I killed Bashkal. I'm going to kill you just as I killed Bashkal. So you better run away from me and escape from death, because I will slay you and then I will kill Mahishasur. I will kill you. And so as the fight ensued, in this last sloka, let us say what happened. Devi Mata ki
Jai! Shri Durga Sharanam Mama, 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 Shri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Ambikatam samalokya gadapanim purasthitam kharagena shitadharena shirasheda maulikam. Go!
Shri Durga Sharanam Mama, Shri Durga Sharanam Mama.
Chinne cha mastake bhumau papata durmukho mrita Jaya Shabdam Tadakta Kror Mudeta Nirjara Rusham. Go!
Shri Durga Sharanam Mama, Shri Durga Sharanam Mama, Shri Durga
Jai Bhagavati.
Mama, Shri Durga Sharanam Mama.
And so Ambikatam Samalokya Gadapanim Purasthitam. He says here, उसी समय अंबिका ने हाथ में गदा लिए हुए उस दुर्मुख को सन्मुख उपस्थित देखकर अपनी तीक्ष्ण धार वाली तलवार से उसके किरीट जुक मस्तक को काट दिया. Mastак mean head, cut mean to cut. That where the word cut come from, you know, when the British went to India, they had cut. Cut is the word, so they get cut, you know. And so, Divine Mother of the Universe, Adi Shakti Ambika Devi, seeing the demon before her, she took a sharpened axe and cut off his head. Mastak काट लिया. मस्तक काट जाने पर दुर्मुख जमीन पर गिर पड़ा. And as the head fell, the body fell slamming onto the earth और मर गया. He died. तब देवतन परम प्रसन्न होकर देवी की जयकार जयकार करने वाला. And so as he died, the devatas began to rejoice as they began to sing the praises of Adi Shakti. Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani, Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani, Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani. Oh Yamba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani, Yamba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani.
Jai Jai Jai
आधा नित्यानंद रूपिणी, आधा नित्यानंद रूपिणी, महाशक्ति त्रिभुवन की त्राता, महाशक्ति त्रिभुवन की त्राता।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 भगवती भवानी।
मधुकैटभ सिंहारिणी तारिणी, मधुकैटभ संहारिणी तारिणी, गाते गुण शिव विष्णु विधाता, गाते गुण शिव विष्णु विधाता। जय 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 जगदम्बा
भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
ओ जगदम्बानी भैया जम्बा भवानी, अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी। जय जय जय
जगदम्बा भवानी,
आहा।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
शत्रुनाथ की जय महारानी, शत्रुनाथ की जय महारानी, सुमरो ये कचित तुम्हें भवानी, सुमरो ये कचित तुम्हें भवानी। जय जय जय
जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
ओ यमा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी, यमा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
हाँ,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
दुर्गति नाशिनी है जग ख्याता, दुर्गति ख्यातनी है जग माता। माता अंबिका दे ब्रह्मानंद, माता अंबिका दे ब्रह्मानंद, कवि श्री लाल शरण सुख दाता, कवि श्री लाल शरण सुख।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
ओ यमा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी, यमा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
प्रेस और जगदम्बिका मैया की
जय।
प्रेस और जगदम्बिका मैया की। You know, this is why, you know, when we come in the home of the Lord, you know, the mandir is so big. You have 200 people here sitting tonight. But you wouldn't know that when if you feel a line, wait outside there and see when the food done, ask them how much box of food they make. This mandir could hold 500 people. Right here in this 40-foot square here, 300 people could sit. I Pandit Billy temple so big, so you could dance. You don't see in TV, in ZTV when they had Jack, people get up and dance for the Lord. You could dance in any, when you go by the river. You could dance when you go in Chatti and Barahi. But you can't dance for the God. No. This is a time to experience the ecstasy of the Lord. This is a time, you know when you have a little child, a little 2 years old child, and a child dancing, you feel happy. Look how my child dancing. We are the children of Ma. Why can't we dance for Ma? You know? Why don't you enjoy in the mother? Get up and dance, clap, sing, enjoy, because you're in the home of Bhagwan. Don't feel ashamed, don't feel abashed. Let everyone see you enjoy your Bhagwan. So my friends, tomorrow night I'll go get up and sing a little bit. Clap, sing, chant, feel the ecstasy of the Lord. Enjoy here. Your people carry on half drunk in some water and tell you come and jump for the Lord. You could jump right here. This is enjoyment. Bhagwan Krishna came and he enjoyed and he had dance and enjoy, because the highest heaven is Goloka, and in Goloka he dancing every day with the Lord. Enjoying every day with the Lord. Singing every day with the Lord. playing every day with the Lord. So begin from now. Begin from now. So my friends, here ends my homily this evening. Be a better person. All of us have human frailties. All of us have addictive lifestyles. All of us have sinned sometime. Not so. When you're alive, there is hope. Once you live in, I don't care if you murder somebody. I don't care if you rape somebody. I don't care if you steal from somebody. Once you're living in this earth, you have a promise of liberation. When the soul is in his body, sadhu bhai jivata hi karu asa. That, oh brother, while you live in, you have hope. Not when you're dead. Not when you die. So whatever wrong you think you have done, whatever mistakes you think you have committed, long as the soul is in this body, my friends, you can remedy your sinful ways right now. You have to change. You have to make the decision. And the first step of making that decision is putting your head at the feet of Divine Ma and say, Ma, you cut the head off the ego. Cut the ego out of my head. Don't cut out my head. Cut the ego out of my head. Cut the hatefulness out of my head. Cut the depression out of my head. Let my mind only exist in your ecstasy, O Ma. Life is so beautiful only with Bhagwan. So here is my message this evening. To all of you who have come this evening, we are glad to have you. Welcome to the mandir. When puja is completed, Aarti is completed this evening, you all can come up and take darshan of Devi Mata. This is the only murti in the Western world that is made with earth from the Ganga. This is the only murti in this Western world that has water from the Ganga in it, because they will need it. This murti comes from Calcutta. On the banks of in Calcutta, the Ganga flows, and there the dirt is taken and brought here. And for the past 23 years, we are performing this puja. Whose benefit bhai? We can change our ways. You know, I tell you, when they build this Durga Murti, they take money from everybody. Priests, businessmen, policemen, and prostitute. They go by the door of the prostitute and they take the dust in front of her house and they put it in his murti. You know why? The doorway of the prostitute is the holiest place in the world. Because when a man stands at the doorway, he leaves the whole divinity at the doorway of the prostitute and enter. That way it symbolizes. But it also symbolizes all of us, no matter how sinful you are or how saintly you are, we are all the equal children of the Lord, and everyone must come together and pray. So this murti represents the murti of unity and acceptance. So we must come to Divine Ma, bow to her, and ask her forgiveness. Ask her to save us. Ask us to give us eyes to see truth and love and divinity and nothing else. That we become liberated. So tomorrow you can come do your puja. Tomorrow in the evening, if you wish, when you come to Mandir to Chadhawe, not an issue. I will just do Aarti later. Puja, adoring Ma is more important. And so my friends, may Bhagwan bless you all. We have T-shirt on sale for the Mandir, and you could wear it when we're going to DC. And at the back of it, I am Sanatan. We're not Hindu, we are Sanatan. Every Hindu, you belong to Sanatan. Sanatan is the name of our dharma. I am Sanatan, but Sanatan also means eternal. I am undying. So, a beautiful T-shirt you can have for $50. And we have, if you go see my vehicle, have it. Proud Hindu. Bombastica. Put this in your car to stand up for your religion. Put this in your car to identify. Don't be a secretive Hindu. Be out and proud. Other people out and proud. Why we can't be out and proud too? Be out and proud as a Hindu. Be glad to portray who you are and the heritage and the sacrifice of your society. So, and the color of our dharma is orange, bhagwa. This is why it is in orange, no other color. So you can have that as well. We are having a veggie on the 13th of November to raise some money to purchase back the PA system that some poor fellas think they needed more than me. So we have lost everything. They break down the door and thing, they take out the current and they break in the Monday, we see a trouble. And through our PA man, Ravi Debidin, he asked his friends and they have lent us all his PA system to use for Sunday service and everything till we can buy one, but we have to buy one before the year finish. So we're asking if everyone can assist us to purchase a ticket at $35, buy 10 tickets now, and always share food for everybody. And if you buy 10 tickets and above, we're delivering free for you too. No matter where you live, we're coming with the food. So if you can assist us, we're cooking chana and roti and different kind of thing. So please assist us on the 13th of November. So what else? Maxis, if anybody have no transportation to go, Maxis are provided at the cost of $50 return fare to the mandir. And if you go with your vehicles, I was so busy today. I had Pran Pratishtha for some Garboj today, sorry, and I was taken up a little time. From tomorrow, you will get a free number to put on your vehicle if you're going on a procession with us. Because when the police is leading us, they need to know everybody in the procession. Tomorrow, you will be getting free numbers to put on your vehicle. So, my friends, may Bhagwan bless you all after the Aarti, and you come and do your own puja. As you leave the mandir, dinner is lovingly prepared for everyone. Please have some and be safe at home. We'd like to thank again our brother for coming this evening to join with us, and he will be doing some bhajans afterwards. You know, Kiran Ramsaran, beautiful Devi bhajans, and I listened today one of your composition on TikTok. So, I would like to thank Mr. Gomes, Mr. Bhagauti, for coming this evening with his daughter to join with us in satsang, and they will be here on Monday night. You will be hearing from South Trinidad, Jhal Ramayan. Monday, no? Monday. Monday we hear Jhal Ramayan, so we're giving them some time. You will hear a very old way of worshipping God and singing the scripture. So you hear some Jhal Ramayan before the Katha. And on tomorrow we will have the Plamitan Mandir coming to do some bhajans with us as well. So people are joining with us, and this is how we must live as brothers and sisters in Sanatan Dharma. All of us, mandirs must work together, mandir must socialize together, mandir must play together. So, my friends, we see you tomorrow. Bring a friend along, and let us enjoy the ecstasy of Devi Mata. Thank you for coming. Let us all stand for Aarti. Praise of Durga Mata ki
Jai.
अरे मंगल की सेवा सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार खड़े, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार खड़े।
मंगल की सेवा सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार खड़े, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार खड़े।
पान सुपारी ध्वजा खोपरा,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा खोपरा,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा खोपरा,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा खोपरा।
लई ज्वाला तोरी भेंट धरे, लई ज्वाला तेरी भेंट धरे। अरे मंगल की सेवा सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार खड़े, हाथ जोड़
तेरे द्वार
हाँ। सुनो जगदम्बे ना कर विलंबे,
सुनो जगदम्बे ना कर विलंबे,
हे मैया सुनो जगदम्बे ना कर विलंबे,
सुनो जगदम्बे ना कर विलंबे।
अरे संतन के भंडार भरे, संतन के भंडार
भरे,
अरे मंगल की
सेवा मोर देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे।
सदा प्रतिपाली सदा सुखदाली,
सदा सुखसाली,
सदा प्रतिपाली सदा खुशहाली, अरे जय काली कल्याण करे, जय काली कल्याण करे, अरे मंगल की जय जय अमृता। बोधि विधाता तू जगमाता, हे मैया बुद्धि विधाता तू जगमाता,
बुद्धि विधाता तू जगमाता,
अरे मेरा कारण सिद्ध करे, मेरा कारण
सिद्ध करे, मंगल की सेवा सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे।
चरण कमल का लिया आसरा,
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 अरे शरण तुहारे पान भरे, शरण तुहारे आन परे, अरे मंगल की
सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे।
जब जब भीड़ पड़े भगतन पर,
जब जब भीड़ पड़े भक्तन पर,
जब जब भीड़ पड़े भक्तन पर,
जब जब भीड़ पड़े भक्तन पर,
अरे तब तब आय सहाय करे, तब तब आय सहाय, अरे
मंगल की
जय
सेवा
भगवती।
हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे।
अरे मंगल की सेवा सुनो मोरी देवा, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, अरे हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, अरे हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे, अरे हाथ जोड़ तेरे द्वार करे। प्रेज दुर्गा मैया की
जय।
Let us clasp our hands and close our eyes as we give thanks to Divine Mother for having us here this evening to listen to her glories, to look upon her beauty and to get peace in mind. Oh Divine Mother, always be with us. Give us joy, give us peace, give us divine ecstasy every moment in our lives as we pray to you, O Divine Mother. Harihi Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Durga Devi Namo Twameva Mata
च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धो च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा ॐ शान्ति ॐ शान्ति शांति।
प्रेज दुर्गा मैया की,
जय।
महालक्ष्मी माता की, महासरस्वती माता की, महाकाली माता की, मापति महादेव की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, उड़ैसा जगन्नाथ की जय, वृंदावन कृष्ण चंद्र की जय, उड़ैसा जगन्नाथ की जय, अयोध्या राम लला की जय, सियापति रामचंद्र की जय। शरणम सत सनातन धर्म की, सतगुरु की दंडवत जय जय सीता। टेल एवरीबॉडी जय सीताराम। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम, जाहि विधि रहिए।
सीताराम सीताराम
जय सीताराम।